just reviewing this 4x4 blindfolded. Gosh. Punch. Alright, so let's go. Okay, make sure I don't lose my orientation, and I will put this on my glasses. Wait, let me just make sure I get the orientation. Okay, no more looking back. Died. It was recording too. I heard this one go off, but this one didn't go off, and you guys just experienced this. I thought it wasn't recording. Guys, I just got my first 4x4 blindfolded success, and I'm officially the youngest in the world of all time. Yeah! Yes! Yeah, I finally did! After a year and a half. You guys saw the time when it came out. Now you just add, I'll tell you after the video what it was. So, thank you for watching my first 4x4 blindfolded success ever. And now I'm the youngest in the world. I said we were in a competition, but I'm unofficially the youngest in the world because I don't think anyone's ever done younger than me, even at home. So, I'm so happy right now. I just did a 4x4 blindfolded.